Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, 24th July. It's been a long time since I made a last video because I started going back to office and it's a little difficult for me to come back and make the video. There is a lot of traffic in Bangalore city, right? So many of you know already. It's not easy to go to office and come back because of the huge traffic and I was like totally stressed out. My training is also becoming a little difficult in the office. I'm using tab and mobiles for that. Somehow I'm not using office laptop to open the terminals and other things. I don't want to do that. So it is a little difficult, but still I have some positions. Maybe I will explain what positions I have, and maybe I can also explain you some, psychological points and some important learning points as usual. Let's go through some of our strategies, and for the people who are seeing for the first time, we have strategy videos already. Expiry strategies, four different videos are there for bank nifty, FinNifty. Four videos are there. We have ratio spreads, we have calendar spreads. There are nice videos for a monthly, for 3 days, double calendars, put calendars. We have some nice videos there. You can go through those videos, and we also have IronFly related videos for weekly, IronFly monthly, weekly. This is one of my favorite. I am planning to make monthly, weekly 2.2, but somehow I'm not getting the time. But I'll keep giving you learnings then and there in each video. Today also we'll see some of the learnings. So there are four strategies in this account I have. We will go through each of these strategies and see what I have done and what we could have done and some learnings in each video. And yeah, some people wanted to see my account, whether I am trading really or not. But it's really difficult for you guys to understand because if I see here, when I don't understand. For example, this is a bi-weekly calendar I am doing. Let me show you. There are other strategies which are in different accounts, which is not my account, my wife's and my mother's. 3 days expiry, the calendars. There is a good strategy. You can also go through that. I am doing that. I will also give you some point when to enter and when to exit. Not exit, when to enter is very important. Exit, I already explained in the strategy video itself. So this is a bi-weekly. I think if you want to see in the here, so you can see these four entries here. I have not edged any the extra selling. This is a bi-weekly. Third I sold and 10th I bought. Recently I started that, and yeah, similarly this is IronFly. Today only I entered. So the reason I entered, there is a IB spike. I entered to take the advantage of IV cool down. So just with 7 lots, it took somewhere around 2 plus 2.5 lakhs, and it is close to 2%, 1% already just in the 1 day session. And yeah, here, yeah, as I said, I wanted to enter when there is IV spike, and I have taken the advantage of IV cool down. So you can see many of my videos, right? Like if you follow, you would understand what is IV spike and how it cool downs, many other aspects. And here bi-weekly, I will explain you guys when to enter to the calendar spread, especially in the 3 days, right? 3 days to expiry that we used to enter Tuesday around 2:30 to 3, and exit somewhere an expiry day middle of the day, like before 2. And so that's a good strategy with adjustments that really gives good money. When there is a low IV, you have to enter to the calendar. During IV spike, we'll get some good profit. Let me show you some examples. See, for example, if I increase IV here, you can see here how this is, the profit is going high. So that's the reason. Even in the strategy I explained, you have to enter this trade around 2:30, something like that. So you can update this point slightly there whenever there is a IV, low IV for that particular day and Tuesday. Enter this trade, and you take the advantage of IV increase. And when there is a IV cool down, I entered this on somewhere around last week, somewhere around oh, not last week. Okay, I think let me see when I entered. 21st. Yeah, it was entered on 21st, but I mentioned as 7th. Okay, I have to edit this. And that also is here. Okay, this I already shown, right? So we'll see this is monthly August IronFly, monthly, weekly. We'll also see that here. Yeah, I am doing some experiment here also. See, basically, this looks like this. So I should bring this hedge here. I moved this little away, wanted to sell extra here. If there is a reversal, this will give the cushion for this weekly sell leg. But if this moves, we'll get some decay here, and this will is for OTM, and this won't increase much. But I thought of bringing this back to 46,000. I did not do it, and I also made one mistake yesterday that has taken back some 16,000 profit, and the capital locked here is somewhere around 4.5 lakhs, and we are already in 6,000. It is supposed to be somewhere around 20 plus because of my mistake. I mean, I could not monitor. Did not put the stop loss in yesterday's down move for the weekly. That has taken some profit. Okay, that's okay. We have to correct our mistakes, and we should not keep thinking about the same mistakes again and again. That will not help anyways. And this is one trade here in the monthly weekly. I keep selling for OTMs to collect the premium, and we also have the strategy. I'll put it in the description, that playlist. You can go through that how I do this. So here I just started selling fraud OTM in the daytime. I thought of exiting by end of the day this weekly sell, because we are already to the PC leg by leg. So I don't want to carry it to the overnight. If there is a gap up, it might affect slightly. Even if it is for OTM, slightly it affect, but this gives a good profit. It's a August iron fly, right? I don't have to earn today itself. Slowly, even if it returns back sometime in the August month, I'll get the advantage of base iron fly. That we already know, people who are following me, how we earn from this monthly, weekly. And this is calendar spread. Let me show you the base calendar spread, how it looks. Yeah, this is how it is looking, and this is having a range of 2.7% to the down, and to the upside 4%. Let me do it so that you can see properly. And the maximum profit that we get from the base iron fly is 12%. But we are not targeting 12% because it takes around 6 lakhs capital for the original 10 lots calendar, and we are selling for OTM from the CE side because it's slightly coming down, right? And if you see, we are selling from 9950, which is almost 300 points away, and this is 400 points away. So slowly we are collecting premium. If it comes to the downside, I'm not going at the money or close to at the money. I'm staying away and collecting small amounts. That's the key. If there is a reversal, it won't impact much because we have a cushion from calendar spread. So currently it is running at close to 17,300, and the capital used is 9 lakhs, close to 2%. Okay, and we have one more month to go. Maybe middle of August or last week of August, we exit based on the payoff graph and profits. Okay, so these are the four positions I have, and I hope you are also learning some points here. See, guys, with the experience, you learn a lot. Initially, when you enter this trade, do it with one lot. So these small entries and exit with the timings and IV, that comes with experience. Even if I explain you the strategy completely from the scratch, only the psychology matters. 20, strategy is only 20%, guys. That is real fact. Many people would have explained you already, told you already in many videos. That's real actually. It's mainly the psychology and timings, risk management, that comes 80%, or even more than 80%. Strategy is around 10 to 20%. Okay, that comes with experience, and you should follow the rules. Risk management, money management, and position sizing is very important. Start with one lot, you will keep learning many things. And don't be in a hurry and put too many lots, thinking that some trade is going in favor of you. And then don't put immediately extra money, spend some time even if your trades are going in your favor. Like 6 months, you slowly start with one lot. After 2 months, increase to two lots. So 6 months you keep doing with one increase in one lot, and then slowly you will build the confidence. You will learn a lot of things, I will tell you. So then you start increasing your capital slowly. Okay, we'll also make many videos on psychology. Don't worry, I already explained some of the videos. In every video, I'll explain one or two points with respect to psychology. Maybe we'll make a lot of videos on trading psychology, risk management. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.